Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup with a joyful approach. First, select your favorite fresh vegetables and a good quality broth. Gather all your ingredients and tools before you begin, ensuring a smooth process. Put on some fun music to create a lighthearted atmosphere in your kitchen. Remember, cooking should be an enjoyable experience, not a chore. A positive mindset can truly enhance the flavor of your homemade soup. Now, let's get creative with your ingredients. Don't be afraid to mix and match flavors you might not typically combine, like a touch of citrus with savory herbs. A small amount of a new spice can completely transform your soup's profile. Consider adding ingredients like quinoa or lentils to boost the nutritional value and give your soup a satisfying texture. This playful experimentation makes cooking more exciting and less rigid. The simmering stage is crucial for developing deep flavors. Keep your soup at a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil, to allow the ingredients to meld beautifully. Stirring every now and then ensures even cooking and prevents anything from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Most importantly, taste your soup as it cooks and adjust the seasonings. This iterative process helps you achieve the perfect balance of flavors, making your soup truly delicious. Finally, it's time to serve your wonderful creation. A simple garnish, like fresh parsley or a drizzle of olive oil, can elevate the presentation. Sharing your homemade soup with loved ones adds to the joy of cooking and eating. Remember, a good meal is often best enjoyed with good company. And speaking of staying refreshed, check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy every spoonful of your joyfully made soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.